Casey again, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing unboxing of a recent purchase that we had from John Lewis. Actually, it's a present from my husband because it's my birthday. So guys, before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. I've been longing to have this for long, and finally I got it. It's a dream come true having this. It's called Dyson Airwrap complete set in a fuchsia. But also you can avail this with different kind of color. Looking back, when I decided to have this, I was so stressed for a month. It becomes a routine to me, like every day I have to check if there's availability on the website. You go Dyson website, you go Boots website, you go Selfridge website, you got Cars website, and I forgot the other one, but it's always not available. It's out of stock all the time. I think because it's the best seller of the Dyson. But apparently last week I got lucky. I think that was a birthday gift for me, like birthday wish come true for me. Like last week I was looking. It becomes a routine to me, as I've said. I was looking, and that day I got this. There's one available in John Lewis, so I grabbed it straight away. God, thank God I got this. So guys, here is. This comes with this lovely bags. You see that? I'm not quite sure what material this is made of, but I'm not quite sure if this is a real leather, but it's a real quality. It's a good quality that they have. You see that? This is quite heavy. I think this is about 4 kilos. So the flaps on this bag is a magnetic closure, and inside you got this slip mat, which you can use while getting ready for styling your hair. And inside there you got the complete Airwrap complete set. So guys, this is what you can see inside. I removed the bag already and the plastic on it, so I can show you all the attachment that this Dyson Airwrap complete set have. This is the first important thing that we have in our complete Airwrap set. It's the power base. So basically, this is the brain of this complete set. Without this, any attachment on that one is not gonna work. So this is the power iron. Then this is how cool you want it and how hot it is that you want it. I think this is I'm not quite sure what is this yet, but obviously. And you got this one where you put your attachment. You have to lock it, and then when you want to remove it, you can unlock it. And second attachment that we have is this is the 30mm barrel. So this 30mm Airwrap barrels is used to have a voluminous cross or waves. Guys, we have the 30mm Airwrap barrels. So this time we got as well this one, which is a little bit bigger on them, which is 40mm barrels. So these 40mm barrels, Airwrap barrels, this one if you want to have a loose curls or wave. We got this attachment as well. It's for firm smoothing hair. So this brush is used for straightener style with less frizz. We got this attachment. This is a soft smoothing brush. So the other one doesn't have this big color. So this brush is used as a smooth blow dry finish. Smooth blow dry finish. We got round volumizing brush. So guys, if you want your hair to have volumized and shape, this is the perfect brush to use out of all the attachment that we have. Guys, we got this free-styling dryer. So guys, I'm just gonna show you on one attachment how to do it. So let's say this one, you just have to, it's locked at the moment, so you just have to do it like that. And see in here, there is a lock and unlock. So if you want to change it, you just have to press the unlock and remove it. That's it. So guys, on my next video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use all this attachment that I have from this set. So guys, for the people wants to buy it, you can if you're here in UK, you can avail it in Boots, Harry's, Dyson, Jan Lewis, and Selfridge. But you have to keep checking if you really want to buy it because it's always out of stock. And the price of it is £449. So I'm so happy with this birthday present that I have. Thank you, my love. And this is the best birthday gift I've ever had because last year, this time, we are preparing and we are planning for my birthday. Before it was lockdown last year, me and Mommy's Hattie were having a party for 2 days. And our second day partying on my birthday, I passed out. So guys, that's pretty much for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the notification bell for the new upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye!